Hello friends, welcome to Stock Trading Tutorial channel. I used to make tutorial video based on the stock market, and as well as I used to bring updated news regarding the stock market. So friends, my free technical classes is already started. If you want to join my free technical classes, you can give a missed call on 96060468114 is my number. So friends, to open a Demat account, you can just visit to the description box. I have provided the link there, and else you can visit to my channel. Here in the top you can see open a free Demat account link I have provided. You can just click on it and easily you can open the Demat account. So friends, today's morning news updates about the NSE. Here you can see Nifty 50 pre-opening 7735.15. Here is the opening. Changes we find at the morning itself is minus 65.90. So if you talk about the Nifty 50, currently it's running by 7730.85. It's declined by 33 and advanced by 70. And if you talk about the top gainers of the Nifty 50, here you can see the Reliance is that in top 5 in the listed, and here Nestle and Cipla, Tech Mahindra and Britannia are the top gainers of today's Nifty 50. If you talk about the top losers, here you can see M&M and Indus India Bank, L&T, ITC and Hero Motor Corporation is also in the top losers list. So if we talk about the today's the latest news here updated by yesterday, nation under lockdown for the 21 days, but the stock market will be staying open. According to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on March 24th announced a lockdown in the entire country starting midnight from the Tuesday for the next 21 days. But the stock market operation will be continuing as usual. According to the Ashish Chauhan, CEO of the BSE, said in a tweet that backing the Prime Minister's decision on the lockdown. Through the tweet, Chauhan said that the entire country's in with you to save the India's future. We will do the 3 weeks nationwide lockdown ourselves. And in another tweets, he said that the daily operation of the BSC will be continuing as usual, putting speculations to rest of whether the market will be functioning during the lockdown. So, friends, if you are talking about the Indian has far reported the close to 500 confirmed cases from the coronavirus and 10 death, and the total number of coronavirus cases across the world is nearing to the 4 lakhs. So, friends, in India, market bounced back to the Tuesday after registering its worst day in the absolute terms of the previous trading session, when the both the Sensex and Nifty 50 fell by about the 13%. So let's look at the finally tallying to the D Street of the S&P BSE. Sensex rises to 692 points to reach up to 26,674, while the Nifty 50 gained by 190 points to close at 7,801 on Tuesday. Track the live updates on the coronavirus. You can just find the link I have provided in the description box. Reacting to the announcement of a VK Vijay Kumar, Chief Investment Strategy, and here you can see the enforcement of the 21 days lockout of the nation will be major challenge, ensuring the supplies to all households in not going to be easy, but has to be done. Temporary shock to the economy and will be huge, but if we come out of the lockdown successfully, economic recovery can be sharply, and the choice in the crisis in the is will be limited. So that's why the Prime Minister said if we don't do this in 21 days lockdown, and we will go back to the 21 years effective practical enforcement on the lockdown, and will be requiring the massive support from the central government, including the income support to poor households, forbearance and NPA classifications of EMI repayment, etc. And this will be coming on the FM said the earlier and AN sooner than the later. So friends, if you find here the stock in the news today is Yes Bank, Mercator, Satin and Torrent Pharma and some more companies. So if you talk about here are the stocks they are in the news today. Mercator is EXIM, sold firm and MT Hassan firm at vessels through e-caution for the rupees of $3.60 billion on the payment of a default. India's Bulls Housing Finance of CRISIL has a refame of his long-term rating of the CRISIL AA ratings outlook has been revised and negative, and short-term rating has been uh, reaffirmed by the CRISIL A1 plus. So, friend, if you're talking about the Yes Bank, ICRA upgrades the rating and placed on the rating watch with the developing implications. Torrent Pharma company fully repaid and secured redeemable and NCDs of the rupees 240 crores. So friends, these are the some top news in the stock. And so friends, keep watching this channel to get the more updates regarding the stock markets. So friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share.